2006 World Sports Stacking Championship.
Right. Okay, fine. And here's Emma Slaver. Look at this little face.
Oh, my gosh.
Look at this cute little face. We don't care.
Wow.
Hi, Emma. How you doing, honey?
Good.
How long you been doing this stacking thing?
For a year.
A year?
Yeah. How did you know you were good at it?
By my brother.
Oh, your brother taught you. Yeah. Where do you live, Emma?
In North Carolina.
North Carolina, yeah. All right, well, show us a little bit.
Show us how this works? Okay.
This is called the cycle.
Now, here's what we do. Here's how you time this thing. Emma, we have a clock right here. She's got to tap her hands to the clock, get the clock started, then do her stunt, and then come back.
We are such
Let's just see how
losers.
fast you can do that, okay, Emma?
Okay.
Which one are you going to do?
Do the tough one, because that really fits.
Cycle.
Do the cycle. Okay, ready, set, go. Nice job.
Wait a minute. Clearly, you cheated.
She cheated. She ain't seen nothing.